Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Fantom price prediction and Fantom news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Fantom in 2022. Fantom is an open source and permissionless decentralized smart contract platform for decentralized applications and digital assets, one of many blockchain networks created to provide an alternative to Ethereum. The Fantom mainnet blockchain was launched in December 2019, and its network architecture aims to provide a viable solution to the blockchain trilemma by providing a stable balance of scalability, security, and decentralization. The Fantom Foundation was founded by South Korean computer scientist Dr. On Byung-ik. The current CEO of the platform is David Richardson, former managing director of Mid-Ocean Consulting. According to the official website, the Fantom team consists of engineers of various specializations, scientists, researchers, designers, and entrepreneurs. Employees are scattered all over the world in accordance with the spirit of the distributed platform. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Fantom. Top 5 cryptocurrencies to watch this week. BTC, Luna, AVAX, Atom, FTM. So, crypto markets are expected to remain volatile for the foreseeable future, but BTC's battle to reclaim $40,000 could be followed with rallies from Luna, AVAX, Atom and FTM. The geopolitical news flow is likely to result in volatile moves in Bitcoin, BTC, and altcoins in the next few days. News of Russian President Vladimir Putin ordering the nuclear deterrence forces on high alert may be viewed as a negative, but reports of talks between the warring nations could be positive, as it raises hopes of an end to the conflict. The crypto community came into focus as the Ukrainian government called for help and sought crypto donations. Some individuals on social media said their Ukrainian credit cards had stopped working, and they were not able to withdraw money from their banks. They highlighted how crypto was the only money left with them. While some analysts are projecting that Bitcoin may have bottomed out, Cointelegraph contributor Marcel Pechman warned that derivatives data remains inconclusive. Similarly, Ether futures data was also not painting a hugely bullish picture. The near-term price action will be dictated by the developments in the Russia-Ukraine war. Let's study the charts of the top 5 cryptocurrencies that may lead the recovery on news of a peaceful resolution to the ongoing conflict. BTC SDT Bitcoin's rebound off the February 24 intraday low at $34,322 reached the moving averages on February 26, where the bears are mounting a strong resistance. However, a minor positive is that the bulls have not given up much ground. The moving averages are flattening out, and the Relative Strength Index, RSI, is attempting to rise to the midpoint, signaling that bulls are making a comeback. If bulls drive and sustain the price above the moving averages, the BTC-SDT pair could rally to the overhead resistance of $45,821. This level is likely to attract strong selling by the bears. Contrary to this assumption, if the price turns down from the moving averages, the pair could consolidate between $39,600 and $36,250 for a few days. A break and close below this support could open the doors for a possible drop to $32,009 with slow mist, becoming mobile-friendly, and just recently increasing liquidity through various listings both on SX and yield farming with SpookySwap. The Fantom native launchpad has been making their dApp as user-friendly and straightforward for new users as possible. Starting with the user UX, they have begun improving the onboarding process for new users to Fantom Starter and reworking the investment flow. Providing a seamless investing experience when raising capital for projects on any chain was the next step for Fantom Starter. As Alex, in charge of product development, recently mentioned, we have seen a growing interest in the Fantom ecosystem, but also seen a myriad of opportunities on other chains that foster different niches. In addition to Fantom Chain, projects will be raising capital on Binance Smart Chain and Polygon Network. Expect project initial DEX offerings to launch on one of these very soon. A growing trend at the pace the blockchain industry is developing, more and more blockchain applications are finding mainstream use cases. Many new applications and protocols are building on Layer 2 and non-EVM compatible chains from algorithms to data AI, DeFi, PLA2 and more. Blockchain is novel and often complicated for new users. Fantom Starter can bridge that knowledge gap by making investing on any chain super simple. Kari Kokkonen, head of marketing. It was only a matter of time before low-cost transactions would win over the masses. These new users are coming to Fantom Starter with various technical skills. All are looking to invest in assets with the potential to appreciate later. Technical partners many are catching on, and are already familiar with bridges or using different RPCs when transferring funds back and forth between EVM-compatible chains according to their needs. Now users will be able to transfer assets cross-chain when investing in projects from the Fantom Starter dApp, rather than rely on Multichain's platform to do this, and having to open a separate app. Powered by Multichain, the biggest multi-chain infrastructure provider in the crypto world, investing in the top blockchain networks will be as simple as connecting your wallet to one of the supported networks, and the dApp will switch to it. No heavy lifting will be required when transferring assets cross-chain, thus optimizing the user experience efficiently. November 2021, when ETH was trading at all-time high, and Ethereum held $163 in lock value. The change in total value locked across the so-called alternative Layer 1 blockchains competing for Ethereum's market share has seen huge variance. While some networks have seen the total value locked in their DeFi ecosystem shrink over the last few months, others have thrived. Amid the rocky market conditions, Ethereum remains the #1 DeFi hub. And so the next news: BNB Chain and Solana DeFi hit hard. BNB Chain, previously known as Binance Smart Chain, was arguably the first alternative Layer 1 network that offered stiff competition to Ethereum when it started. Today we will discuss the Fantom price prediction for 2022-2025. Is Fantom, FTM, a good investment? Now we will analyze this. FTM rate prediction 2022. FTM will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Fantom rate will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2022, the Fantom rate will be almost $2.21. The maximum bet we can get is $2.61. Fantom average price prediction for the end of 2022 could be around $2.28. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. FTM, price prediction 2023. A flawless approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this forecasting platform, Fantom will remain at its current level for a very long time. By 2023, FTM is expected to peak at $3.94. The minimum bet could rise to $3.19 if the market turns bullish. Price Fantom forecast 2024. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Fantom could cross $5.52 if the market sees a nice bull run in 2024. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2024 will be around $4.76. FTM price forecast 2025. For a long-term forecast of the Fantom price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average FTM price will rise to around $7.20 by 2025 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2025, the year may end with a maximum price of $8.32 with a minimum price level $6.96. And what does 2026 promise us? FTM can reach $12.03 by 2026 with significant collaboration with financial institutions if the following requirements are met. With an average rate of $9.96 for 2026, it could beat the latest price trend and reach new highs. The bet slogan may vary as the crypto market may see another bull run on its way to 2026.